My name is Kemitayo, and today we'll be talking about measurement and metric table. Measurements. What do we measure? How do we measure? There are several things that we measure. They include length, area, volume, capacity, weight, money, time, and angles. To measure length, we use centimeters, meters, or kilometers, depending on how long it is. To measure area, our units are meters square or centimeters square. Volume is measured in meter cube or centimeter cube. Capacity is measured in liters and milliliters in terms of small quantity. Weight, how heavy a thing is, can be measured in milligram, in gram, and in kilograms. Money is measured in currencies. In Nigeria, we use naira and kobo. Time can be measured in seconds, minutes, hour, days, weeks, months, years, decades, centuries, and a lifetime. Angles can be measured in degrees. Now, the metric table. The metric table tells you how much of one unit makes the other. Let's start with the metric table for length. 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters make 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters make 1 meter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. And 1,000 meters make 1 kilometers. Let's talk about time. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. 24 hours make 1 day. 7 days make 1 week. 4 weeks make 1 month. 365 days make 1 year. And 12 months make 1 year. Now, volume. Volumes are measured in meter cube or centimeter cube. Now, 1 million centimeter cube makes 1 meter cube. Areas. 10,000 centimeters square make 1 meter square. And when we talk about capacity, 1 liter is equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. You can go ahead to find out what measures we use for weight. How many grams will give us 1 kilograms? You could infer from our centimeters and kilometers. You could infer from the meters to kilometers. But grams makes kilograms. So 1,000 grams, we say, make 1 kilogram. And that is it on metric table. I hope you have learned something new. Thank you and bye.